Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Wade with Georgia Southern Software Services, and today we're going to talk about quick disconnects. But before we do, take a quick second to smash that like and subscribe button and continue to follow us. So today we're going to talk about these quick disconnect fittings real quick. I watched a video the other day, and a gentleman was doing some work on a property, and one of his quick disconnects sprung a leak. And in the video, he just mentioned that he had some extras, he was going to change it out, and there really I didn't see any evidence of it needing to be changed out, other than it was just leaking. So it made me think to do a video real quick to let some of you guys know that there are O-rings inside these quick disconnects that will cause them to leak. If you don't get these quick disconnects put together properly, they will leak, and I'll show you real quick. On this one here, I've got a female and then I've got a male end here, and if you'll notice, if you don't get these seated all the way, they will still stick out. If you can see, there's a little notch right on the very edge that you can still see. That's not quite seated in there. So you want to make sure you get that closed completely, or it will cause your O-ring to blow out. But the good thing is those O-rings are easily replaceable. There's no need to replace these fittings unless if they crack, or obviously, you know, they're gonna get rusted up. But that's why I recommend using your stainless steel fittings versus your brass fittings. Brass is okay in areas where you're not really gonna do much chemical use, just on your clean water side, but definitely anywhere you're using chemicals, you want to use stainless steel. But we're going to show you real quick how to change an O-ring, and yeah, I mean, it's very cost effective for this method versus changing the entire fitting. And all you need is a spare O-ring, which I keep a spare set of all these O-rings from 3/8, 1/4 inch, and 1/2 inch, just depending on what I'm working on and what I've got messed up. But I do keep, I can buy in bags of 25 packs. I get my O-rings from Pressure Tech, and then all you need is a dental pick set. They are very cheap. You can get this particular one from Pressure Tech for I believe, I'm sorry guys, I'm actually looking this up while I'm talking to you. $8.21, and it comes with 6 picks to get these O-rings out. Very good little set. It does the job. So all you're going to do is, hopefully you guys can see this. Let's see, I've got my flashlight here, and if you look right down inside there, you'll see there's a small black O-ring. And all you've got to do is take your dental pick set. Let's see, I'll turn you down here so y'all can see. And all we're gonna do is just grab the back side of that O-ring, and you just want to swivel your dental pick around. That O-ring does sit in a groove. Now this O-ring, there's nothing wrong with this O-ring. This is a brand new, but it comes out very easily it sets in a groove down inside there. I don't know if y'all can see that groove or not, but there is a groove that it sits down inside in there. But once you get the old O-ring out, it's just a matter of getting the new one in. And what I like to do is I like to just kind of push it in there with my finger to get it started, just like so, just enough where it kind of sits in there nice and smooth. And then I like to take one of these dental picks and just kind of work it around in there slowly until it seats back into that groove. As y'all can see, it's very quick once you've done it enough times. It doesn't take long at all to change one of these O-rings, and it is a lot more cost effective than replacing the whole quick disconnect. It just is all about saving money anywhere I can. So I definitely like to do that. And another thing with these quick disconnects is WD-40. You definitely want to keep some of this on hand. I've got a fitting here. Again, it's brass, but I don't really care for these, but you can see it's sticking already. I pulled this off and put a stainless steel one on, but the purpose of the WD-40 and this is to show you that all you've got to do with these quick disconnects is open them up like so, and just take and spray around the inside where those ball bearings are, where all those mechanical pieces are in there, and just that easy. Now it's not sticking no more, and that'll continue for a day or so. I mean, you don't have to hit these every day, but you definitely want to hit them a couple times a week. It all depends on your load of work and how much work you're having to do that week. Everybody's schedule varies, so you know, you make that decision, but you definitely want to keep those lubed up as much as possible. Sometimes I do it daily, sometimes I do it every other day, but I definitely try to keep them lubed up. It makes all the difference in the world. As you can see, that one's not sticking anymore. So something quick, easy to help you with your maintenance on some of your pressure washing equipment. And then I've got just real quick to show you, I do run stainless steel on everything though. This is my cat trigger with the M5 twist that I use on my pressure washer for rinsing. Great little setup here. It's I like using this for doing a lot of plant rinsing and stuff like that. It does great. But I do use this quite a bit, and it's one of my favorite go-tos. Also, I did want to mention that there are two different types of O-rings as well. You've got your butyl O-rings, which are, or Buna, I'm sorry, not butyl, Buna O-rings, which are, they're going to be black in color. They're for your freshwater side of things, and then you've got these Vite and O-rings. They're a little bit heavier duty, chemical resistant, or they're supposed to last a little better up under dealing with chemicals, your SH. So you definitely want these on anything you've got chemical coming out of. And then on your freshwater side, you pretty much are fine with the Buna O-rings, but you can definitely see that there is a difference between the two. I'll pull these out here for you so you can get a look at them. You can see that that's pretty much a brownish color, and then the Buna is going to be just black, a regular black O-ring. And then even the texture of the O-ring, and all, you can tell the difference. But I haven't never ran into an issue with ordering a pack of Viton and they come in black, so you should be able to distinguish them pretty easily. So yeah, that's all we had for today. Just wanted to do that quick video. Like I said, I seen a video where a guy was replacing one, and it just kind of struck me odd that he wasn't just replacing the O-ring. So I wanted to put a video out there and kind of share that with everybody that may not know, and save you some money. It's all about saving money everywhere you can. So hopefully some of y'all found this video helpful, and if you did, please hit the like and subscribe button, and see y'all next time.